Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is video number 2 of these not very professional, non-financial advice recordings. So let's get right into it. So today was an interesting day. Today we went up, 1 billion and then went back down. So just stayed steady. I mean, right now we continue with the sideways trajectory. Which if we look back, before, this time last year, we were in similar position. Things were kind of sideways until they started to take off sometime in the midsummer, which we haven't reached that point yet. So anything can happen. But that's kind of where we were last year, and it's looking very similar right now. So if history repeats, which typically it does, then we'll see that same type of situation happen this year. So as we start to get closer to the fall, that's when people, and historically this is always the case, not just on crypto, but consumers tend to spend more money in the fall and the autumn, towards the holiday season. And around Labor Day, things usually pick up a lot in the markets. So we'll be looking out for that. As far as the forecast goes, we don't know yet for the summer, but we're almost there. At least down in the south, it's already gotten really hot, so summer's here. But today was a good day for EOS. If you're an EOS fan, then today you're rejoicing. It's up 23% in the last 24 hours, so it's up over $15 again. EOS went up as high as like $23 some weeks back and hasn't really reached that point yet again, but again it should retrace. And Litecoin is at one point, and you guys have heard me previously rave on Litecoin. Litecoin at one point was up over $300, about to hit 400, and right now sitting at 122 seems like a good buy. If you ask me, not financial advice, by the way. Seems like a good buy. Litecoin has great technology. It's very fast. It's good for payments. And I think Litecoin will be the one coin this year that'll start to get, and not just this year, but in the coming years, that'll start to get used more and more. So it'll just become popular. So I think that's definitely a good one. And then Ripple, I'm going to be honest, I'm not really sure what the future holds for Ripple. It's kind of one of those that I'm a little bit on the fence with. The technology is good, X-Rapid, X-Current, good technologies. A lot of companies are going to adopt it in the coming times, but again, Ripple isn't much of a currency. And then again, I guess you could say the same thing. A lot of people would say the same thing about, actually, a lot of these cryptocurrencies, Cardano, Stellar, Bitcoin. I don't know so much about those particular projects, Cardano and Stellar. To be honest, I don't follow them very heavily. I feel like one of the only reasons they're in the top 10 is because they have a large circulating coin. There's a high circulation volume, and like billions of coins mined. So it doesn't take a high price per coin for them to achieve a high market cap. So it's not really fair. Whereas with Litecoin, for example, there's only 56 million coins circulating versus Cardano's 26 billion, so 25.927 billion. So that's a big factor there as well. EOS is a great I think has a great product. I think it has good future potential. I mean, it's really got a hockey stick today, a hockey stick trajectory. Just really took off. Bitcoin Cash, that with the block size upgrade, should be interesting to watch. To 32, going from 8 to 32, which is actually pretty significant. So yeah, that should be good to come up. And then the last one I wanted to talk about, I guess right now, would be Dash. Dash is gonna, I've had some people ask me about Dash, what I think about Dash. Dash is one of those that I think has great potential. I think one of the reasons why it has great potential is because there's a very dedicated team behind it. And they of all the coins that are on the top, in the top, the major rank 100 coins, Dash has the best marketing team. They take their image very seriously. You can use Dash in Brazil. There's merchants who accept Dash. The Dash has their own proprietary ATM for buying Dash coin. Though you don't find them everywhere, that's cool. The point is that they like to do things in house. So, and their partnership with university is a big deal as well in the blockchain community because that's a first. So and it's self-funded through Dash. So and I'll post actually a separate video on that Dash and their partnership with the university. So we can talk about that. But Dash is a great future project, future potential because it's got such a dedicated team behind it, and I think that plays a large role in a lot of these. And another coin that I like that I will talk more about is Tron. And again, the reason I like it, I will talk about it and elaborate more on in another video. But the reason I like it is because of the team behind it. They seem dedicated. They're very proactive on social media, etc. I mean, all of these it's all on social media. So, but yeah, that's it for right now. Afternoon recap. So yeah, everything today is just another one of those days, I guess, where it's kind of just staying steady sideways. But EOS, good day for good day for EOS. Good day for Bitcoin Cash, up 10%. Good day for Oh Mice Go. So yeah. All right. See you guys next time.